Hello everyone, my name is Akash Kashyap and this is the unboxing of Honor 9A. So let's just quickly see what we get inside the box. The first thing which we see is the smartphone itself. Whoa, it looks great. We get this quick start guide, Huawei warranty card, and a silicone case which looks good. We have this standard power brick and a micro USB data cable. On the right side of the phone we get the volume rockers and the power button. On the bottom we have 3.5mm audio jack, primary microphone, charging slot and a speaker grill. On the left we have the SIM tray, and on the top we have the secondary microphone for noise cancellation. On the front we have this in-call speaker and the selfie camera. And on the back we have this triple camera setup with the fingerprint scanner. So phone is now ready after the setup, and the first thing which I want to show you is the Huawei's app gallery, as this is the primary source of getting all your favorite apps in your smartphone. And guys, it comes with all the latest features like ebook mode and the dark mode, which I just want to show you. So here's the dark mode, and yes, now you can use your smartphone in this dark mode if you like. So now let's go to about phone and see what we get. So here is the MagicUI version, which is 3.1, that means the latest out of the box, and with the Android 10, yes. And the RAM which we get is of 3GB with the 64GB of internal storage, and the security patch level is of 1st April 2020. And guys, this is the camera of Honor 9A. It comes with all the features like aperture mode, beauty mode, photo mode, and the video plus pro mode, panorama, HDR, and all that. So this is good. And guys, the fingerprint scanner works so very fast and it's accurate, you can see. And same was the case with the face unlock too. Another thing which I want to mention is this, that it doesn't feel heavy in hands, though it have that 5000 mAh battery. So guys, this was the unboxing and the first impression of Honor 9A, and I hope you like the video. And what are your thoughts on this smartphone? Do let me know in the comments down below, and stay tuned to Akash J Kashyap.